Welcome. Today we're gonna talk about animals that start with F. Please subscribe for more amazing videos. Fox. Foxes live in environments where the animals they hunt have adapted for snow, so the fox has its own winter adaptations. For example, a fox can jump 3 feet into the air to catch a mouse at a snow depth of more than 3 feet, even if the mouse is moving. Foxes know how to determine a mouse's speed and trajectory, so they land on exactly the right spot of snow. Rabies caused by red foxes was causing a huge problem in Europe into the 60s. How did scientists solve this problem? Well, they got animals to vaccinate themselves. Scientists airdropped vaccinated chicken heads for wild foxes to eat and helped eliminate the scourge of rabies. Fish. Cold-bloodedness. All fish are ectothermic or cold-blooded, meaning they cannot regulate their internal body temperature. Even warm-blooded fish such as tuna and mackerel sharks have only regional endothermy or warm-bloodedness limited to certain areas. Swim bladders, specialized organs fill with air to keep the fish afloat, and in some species help them survive with low oxygen levels. They also help fish sleep and are sensitive enough to detect the movement of food and predators. Fins for movement. Most common are a tail fin, a pair of side fins, a dorsal fin, and an anal fin. Water habitat. All fish live in bodies of water, whether it is freshwater or saltwater. However, not all creatures that live in water are fish. Gills to breathe. Fish have gills throughout their life cycle. As with the water habitat, although all fish have gills, not all creatures with gills are fish. Falcon. The fastest animal on Earth is the peregrine falcon, which reaches speeds of up to 242 miles per hour. It is nearly 4 times the speed of the fastest land animal, which is the cheetah. These birds can catch their food while they are in mid-flight with their beaks. Falcons have incredible eyesight, which is why they are able to capture their food so easily. They can seek both regular color and ultraviolet color, exceeding the range of humans. The cardiovascular system of the bird allows them to beat their wings at a rate of 5 ms/s. These birds can range from 13 to 23 inches, weighing approximately 1.5 to 3.3 pounds. Most of these prey birds ultimately range from a small to medium size, and their head is adorned with a black crown of feathers. This blackness extends to their nap and wedge as well, connecting the colors to loose like a helmet over the bird's head. Fly. The evolutionary history of these insects dates back some 240 million years in the fossil record. These insects rub their legs together in order to keep them clean. The bristles on the legs are important sensory organs that can taste the food they land on. The maggots, which feed on decomposing tissue, have historically been used by humans to clean wounds. These insects undergo 4 different life stages. The first stage, the egg, only lasts a matter of 8 to 12 hours. After hatching, the insect enters a prolonged larval stage, in which it goes through a few different molting periods over the course of several days or weeks. The third stage, the pupa, is an intermediate form between larva and adult. It lasts an average of 5 days. The final adult phase mostly serves the purpose of reproduction. The insect's lifespan lasts only a few weeks long. However, in this short time, it is very reproductively active. A single female can lay 500 eggs every 3 to 4 days. Flamingo. Flamingos lay just 1 egg in a clutch. They have pink feathers due to the beta-carotene in the foods they eat. These birds can live from 20 to 30 years in the wild. They sometimes live in flocks containing thousands of birds. Their webbed feet help them to move across the surface of a lake. Flamingos are birds that are known for their long legs, with webbed feet, S-shaped neck, curved beak, and pink feathers. Their diet of algae and brine shrimp contains beta-carotene, which is a red/orange pigment. The large supply of beta-carotene taken in via the bird's diet is what turns their feathers bright pink. The largest wingspan of the flamingo bird is 60 inches. That length is almost equal to the length of a home's refrigerator. A roseate spoonbill is similar to a flamingo and has a wingspan of 51 inches. Ferret. The ferret is a small domesticated mammal in the weasel family Mustelidae, whose name comes from the Latin word ferretus, meaning little thief. If you've ever heard of someone ferreting away or ferreting out something, it's thanks to the ferret's curious and hoarding behavior in which it finds and hides items. Ferrets can be trained to do tricks like dogs. In their wild form, they are called fitchet, fitchu or fitch. Ancient Egyptians took these animals with them on sailing ships to hunt rodents, and as early as 63 BC were being used to help control rabbit plagues on the Balearic Islands. Ferrets were used to protect grain stores during World War II. Genghis Khan hunted with them circa 1221. They were named official mascots of the Massachusetts Colonial Navy in honor of such service. A ferret's normal heart rate is 200 to 250 beats per minute. Frog. Frogs shed their entire skin about once a week. This dead skin makes a tasty meal for the frog. Albino frogs are very rare in the wild. One exception is the albino African clawed frog, which is caught and sold as pets. These albino frogs have an all-white appearance. Some species can live more than 20 years in captivity. The frog's eyes have a wide angle of view and excellent night vision. The European edible frog is a fertile hybrid between two different species, the pool frog and the marsh frog. The edible frog cannot produce viable offspring with each other though. Thank you for checking this video. If you wish to give your opinion, please comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.